Natasha, or you can call me Panda, whichever one you like. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought of doing like an everyday makeup, something that you can wear for work or like basically every day. So this video was suggested by Mamta. I'm going to try to use very minimal products. It's really hard for me, but I'm going to try. So this is a makeup look that you can do in less than 10 minutes when you don't have a lot of time to do your makeup. This is really simple. You don't have to use all of the products that I'm using, of course. You can use whatever you have and make it work. So yeah, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to start with skincare. This one is a toner and it's a refreshing and clarifying toner for all skin types. It's also alcohol free, which is awesome. This is the Himalaya Herbal one. I'm going to take a few drops of it on a cotton. I know sometimes skincare can be a little too much, but it's always good to keep your skin protected from what you're going to put on it, especially makeup. Next, of course, I'm going to use moisturizer. This one is the Plum Mattifying Moisturizer. Since I have oily skin, I'm going with this, but you can find plenty of moisturizers that work under your makeup. I'm also going to try and use very minimal makeup brushes and tools. So much easier to use your hands because you wash it immediately and you're clean. It saves you from a lot of bacteria and stuff which makeup brushes collect if you don't wash them. I would suggest getting a makeup sponge because this saves so much time. It blends everything easily, but I'm going to try and avoid using this as well today. Now that I'm done prepping my skin, I'm going to start with color correcting, and this one is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm not going to go heavy-handed with this, and I'm going to blend it with my finger. Now I'm just going to add my foundation, and with foundation I just feel like less is more. So I'm just going to dot very little and blend it out again with my hands. The next step is concealer, and I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to put this under my eyes to brighten it up, and also if you need any other spot concealing, you can add that over it and conceal it as well. I'm also going to add the same concealer over my eyelids as an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use my face powder, and this one is the Color Essence in the shade Dusky, and I'm going to use the same sponge that comes at the back of it. So now that I'm done with that, I forgot to add lip balm, so this one is the Vadi Lip Balm in Strawberry. Now I'm going to do my brows, and for this I'm just going to use powder, and this one is the Freedom Duo Powder in Ebony, and I'm going to use a flat angled brush. So moving on to my eyes, I'm going to use this Fortune Favors the Brave palette from Revolution. I'm going to take this shimmer color right here, adding a shimmer color on my lids so that it looks a little bright. Next, I'm going to add a little kajal. I'm going to use the same flat angle brush that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm just going to blend it out. And you can add eyeliner the way you usually do. I'm just going to use the same kajal and lightline my eyes instead of adding an eyeliner. Next, for my face, I'm going to add a little blush, and I'm going to take this fluffy big blush brush just to add a little color and life back into my face. just gonna apply a little mascara. Before that, I'm gonna curl my lashes. You can skip this step if you don't like to curl your lashes. I'm also going to use the same mascara, removing the excess product, and I'm going to add that to my eyebrows just to set them in place. Now for highlight, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow that I used on my eyelid, and I'm going to use my finger and just dab it. For the last step, I'm gonna do my lips. For my lips, again, I like mixing lipsticks. You can do whatever your favorite shade is. But first, I'm gonna add this Miss Claire lip liner. First lipstick I'm going to use is this NYX Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark, and the next one is the LA Colors Matte Liquid Color in the shade Fierce. And now I'm just going to take a few dots of this. And now to finish this whole look up and to seal the deal, I'm going to use this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you hit the like button down below if you did, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any sort of video ideas, make sure you comment that down below and I will give you credit for it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.